Welcome back to the Amazon Reseller Network. Luke here. Hope you're doing well. Today's video is how to check feedback rating, how to request removal of feedback rating, and how to post a reply to a customer on your feedback rating. So let's just get straight into it. So then you go to your Amazon Seller Central, click on the top left drop down, then you would go to performance and then feedback. This is something that I check every single day just to stay on top of my feedback and to request removal if I think the feedback isn't my fault. So you can see for the last 90 days, I got 100%, so 0 negative or neutral, which is really good. So as you can see here, I've got all my feedback ratings. So if you wanted to request removal, like I have here and here, all you'd have to do is action, and then request removal. And then did the feedback you received meet any of the criteria above? So read the criteria, and if it has, just press yes. And then Amazon should take it down. If they don't, you can just make a case with them through Amazon Seller Support. So that is request removal. So to post a reply, all you have to do is just post a public reply. So if the customer said great, you could just say thanks for purchasing through my store. Have a great day. Something along those lines. Then you can just submit it. So it's really essential that you keep on top of that, just because any negative feedback, if you're going to question it, it needs to be done within 24 or 48 hours for Amazon to take them down. So I hope this was helpful, and see you later.